Day 64 of 365 Bible Stories. Moses and Aaron left Pharaoh's palace feeling discouraged, their first confrontation ending in rejection. But the Lord appeared to them and spoke with reassurance. "I am the Lord. I will bring 10 plagues upon Egypt, one after another. These judgments will compel Pharaoh to release my people. I will make a distinction between Egypt and the Hebrews. My people will be kept safe and untouched by the plagues." Then God instructed Moses and Aaron, "Take your staff and stretch it out over the waters of the Nile in the sight of Pharaoh and his officials." They obeyed. Early the next morning, they stood on the riverbank before Pharaoh. Aaron extended the staff over the Nile, and instantly the water turned to blood. Every river, canal, pond, and pool in Egypt became blood. The fish died, the river stank horribly, and the Egyptians could not drink. People dug desperately along the banks for water, pinching their noses from the foul smell. Not a single drop of clean water remained in all the land. Pharaoh watched from his palace, beginning to worry, but his heart remained hard. He refused to let the Israelites go. Then God sent the second plague. Aaron stretched out his staff again, and swarms of frogs came up from the Nile. They covered the land, hopping into homes, bedrooms, ovens, kneading bowls, even the king's palace. Frogs jumped on the royal table during meals and croaked through the night on Pharaoh's pillow. No one could escape them. In desperation, Pharaoh summoned Moses and Aaron. "Pray to your God to take these frogs away," he begged. "If you do, I will let your people go to sacrifice to the Lord." Moses prayed as Pharaoh asked. God answered, and the frogs died everywhere, piled in heaps that stank across the land. The Egyptians gathered and buried them in great numbers. But as soon as the frogs were gone and relief returned, Pharaoh hardened his heart once more. He refused to keep his promise and would not let God's people leave Egypt. Join me tomorrow as we continue this journey through the Bible.